How to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix to fix your iPhone stuck on Apple logo is force restart your iPhone. So simply go ahead and press the volume up button and then release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and next, hold and release the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will make a force restart, and after reboot, check if it fixes or not, as force restarting the iPhone clears temporary software bugs without deleting anything. So this is how you can fix your iPhone stuck on Apple logo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.